Hi guys, my name's Maille and I'm from Maille. Welcome to our chainmail tutorial channel. Hi guys, welcome back to those that have been here before, and hope you stick around to those that are new to our channel. Today I'm going to be creating a piece from our Mail It in Minutes playlist. It's a Japanese cross earrings. Super simple, beginner friendly tutorial, and before you know it, you'll be wearing a fabulous pair of earrings. So stick around guys and let's get into it. Okay, so here's a sample piece of the earrings that we'll be making today. So to make these up, you're going to need the following components. In bright aluminium, 14 gauge AWG, which is 1.6mm diameter wire. You're going to need rings with a ring ID of 5/16 of an inch, or that's 7.94mm. You're going to need 8 of these rings. You're also going to need, in 14 gauge AWG, again, 1/4 of an inch ID this time, which is 6.35mm. In anodized aluminium, you'll need 8 of these rings. And then in bright aluminium, 16 gauge AWG, which is 1.2mm diameter wire. These are rings with a ring ID of 5/32 of an inch, or 3.97mm. You're going to need a total of about 26 of these. You're also going to need a pair of ear wires or ear posts, whatever it is that you use to make your earrings. And of course, a pair of smooth jawed pliers. Today I'm using pliers from our Xuron range. These ones here are our chisel nose plier, and these ones are our short nosed wide pliers. Okay, so to start making the earrings, firstly we're going to close up 10 of our smallest rings. So that's the 16 gauge AWG 5/32 of an inch ID rings. We've got them today in bright aluminium, so close up 10 of those. And then once you've closed 10 of those, take up one of your 14 gauge AWG 1/4 inch rings. Okay, and on that, pop 6 of the rings that you just pre-closed. Okay, put those on. So we've got 6 on, and then close that ring up. And then we want to take up one of our 5/16 of an inch rings, and we want to feed that through the same 6 small rings. Okay, so make sure you pick them all up and then close that ring up. Okay, so our work currently looks like this. Then taking up another of our anodized aluminium rings, we're going to pop on the final 4 of our pre-closed rings. And then before we close that up, we're going to feed it through 2 of the small rings on our previous piece. So just go straight through 2 of those. Okay, close that ring up, and then take up another 5/16 of an inch ring, and we're going to feed it through all of these same rings that are the 1/4 inch ring is on, making sure we've got it flipped over the same way so that it sits on the same side as this piece here. So we don't want to feed it through this way because it would be sitting on the top. We want to make sure that our bright aluminium rings are all on the same side of our piece. So feed it through there and close it up. Okay, so your work currently looks like this. Then taking up another of our anodized aluminium rings, we want to feed that through 2 of our small rings here on one pair of rings, and 2 of the small rings over there as well. So picking up 1, 2 from that pair of rings, picking up 1, 2 from the other pair of rings. So our work currently looks like this. Okay, so close that up, take up another 5/16 of an inch ring, and again making sure we're working on the same side as the other previous bright aluminium rings. Feed it through those same 4 rings. Okay, close it up, and then we want to take up another anodized aluminium ring, and we want to feed that through the last 4 small rings that we've got on our piece. Okay, so you should have 2 rings from each of our middle pair. Feed it straight through those, close it up, and then of course with our 5/16 of an inch ring, making sure that we feed it through the correct side. Okay, so not this side, guys, we want to flip it over so our large bright aluminium rings are facing us, and we want to feed it through those same 4 rings and close it up. Okay, so then that's it. That's the Japanese cross. All right, so with our work looking like this, I'm going to take up a bright aluminium ring. I'm going to feed it through here. And then I'm going to take up another one, put it through the same path so that we've doubled those small rings up. Okay, and then I'm going to take one more. I'm going to feed that through that pair of rings. And before I close it, I'm going to take my ear stud. I'm going to feed it through here, making sure that that ball, the front, is facing the same way as my anodized aluminium rings. I'm going to pop it on there and close it up. Now, of course, if your ear wire or stud has the ring going the other way, then you can skip those rings there. Just put a single ring through and attach your ear wire to that. But either way, that's it. That's one of your earrings. As you can see, that didn't take very long, so you can whip up another pair and you'll have something to wear in no time at all. Well guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video today and that you had fun making the jewelry with us. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up here on YouTube. Share the video with any of your groups. Leave comments, requests, questions, anything like that. We'd love to hear from you below in the comments section. And if you'd like to help us in the future put out more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so you'll get all the notifications every time we upload new content. While you're here, don't forget to check out our other videos that we have, as well as giving our store link a click, and you'll be able to buy all the tools and components that you need for this video and many others. Alright guys, thanks again, and hopefully we'll see you sometime in the future. Bye!